Hey guys, today we're going to be installing and setting up GoDot for the first time. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Google and you can search GoDot at Google. Should be the first link that comes up. The website is godotengine.org. So you could type that in there, www.go.engine.org. We're going to use this link. It's going to take us to this website. This is where GoDot is kept, and you can find a lot of cool stuff here. You're going to select download. It's going to take you to this page. GoDot can be ran on Linux, Mac, and Windows. I'm pretty sure your laptops or whatever it is you'll be running on will work with 64-bit standard version, but if it gives you any problems, you can use the 32-bit version, but I'm pretty sure 64-bit works. So we're going to click 64-bit, and you're going to see that it downloads and downloads a zip file down here in the bottom left. If you hit this little arrow right here, you can go to Show in Folder, and it will bring you here. I already downloaded it once, so there it is. So here it is right there. Now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to find where I want to install this, and I put a USB drive in my computer, and there it is. So right here is the USB drive, and this is my downloads folder, so that's where I got to this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to extract this file over here. Okay, there's a couple ways to do it. My favorite way to do it is to right click and hold the right click button and move it over and then let go. Then it gives you the option to extract here or extract file. So what I'm going to do is right click and extract here, and then it'll just run and it'll extract all the files over here in this new location where I want. And sometimes if it doesn't appear, you can press F5 and it like refreshes the screen, and now I see it. If you don't know how to do the right click and drag, you could just move it over like that. Just like click and drag and move it over, then right click and say extract here. Okay, so you now have, I'm going to close my downloads folder. I don't need that anymore, and I'm going to delete this because I don't need that either. Now, this is our USB drive. This could also be your S drive at school, if you're at school, but I'm mainly making this for, I guess, people at home. I don't know, whatever, it doesn't matter. So this is our place, this is our root folder where we're going to keep our GoDot. What I want to do is right click in here, and I want to make a new folder, and I'm going to call this the projects folder. Then I'm going to go into that folder. So now I'm in one level down, so this is the first level. So this is the root folder, this is the projects folder, and I can go back by clicking on the words here like this. If I click GoDot, it'll take me back to the main level. So I'm going to go to the projects folder, and I'm going to make one more folder, and this one's going to be GoDot _ starter. Alright, so in this folder there's nothing. So I'm going to go back up to the start. So back, this is right here at my USB drive. I've got a projects folder. Inside of this projects folder I have GoDot starter. Inside of that I have nothing. So back at my USB, I'm going to open up GoDot. Just double click. And you're going to see this window for the first time. What you're going to want to do is come over here to the side where it says, I'm going to close this right here, close, and then I'm going to click New Project. Now on the new project, I need to give it a name. I'm going to say GoDot _ starter, just like that. And now I need to get this path that we were just talking about back there. That's why we made those folders. So over here on the right hand side, I'm going to hit Browse. And right here is where you can choose your drive letter. So I'm going to choose the drive. Mine was on the D drive. Yours might be in somewhere else. This is my USB that I have stuck in my computer, so I'm going to say D drive. Then I'm going to open my projects folder. Then I'm going to open my GoDot starter. And I'm going to say select current folder. Then I'm going to hit create and edit. Well, you're going to want to make sure you got everything right. So that's right, and then you want to hit create and edit. And now we are at GoDot for the first time. I'm not really going to show you much of anything on this one, but that's pretty much it. If you close it, you can hit quit. Then when you run this the second time, you're going to see the next time when you play this, it's already got your project that you started last time. And you can click it and then hit edit. If you hit run, it's going to think you want to play the game, but there's no game to play. So you want to, next time, you want to click here and you want to hit edit, and it's going to take you back to your project. We'll get farther in this later, but that's it for this video. Have a good day.